Every image is a new discovery, and each will give humanity a view of the universe that we've never seen before.
This image, as we're looking at it, what we're seeing is not just all the galaxies, but there's a cluster here. And it's really, there's so much detail here. We're seeing these galaxies in a way that we've never been able to see before.
These images are going to remind the world that America can do big things. And they remind the American people, especially our children, that there's nothing beyond our capacity. Nothing beyond our capacity.
Today represents an exciting new chapter in the exploration of our universe. This telescope is one of humanity's great engineering achievements.
This stunning vista of the cosmic cliffs of the Carina Nebula reveals new details about this vast stellar nursery. First of all, of hundreds of new stars that we've never seen before. We see examples of bubbles and cavities and jets that are being blown out by these newborn stars.
See lots of individual stars in there actually resolved as point sources, which is remarkable. And then as we pan across, we actually see the galaxies in the merging galaxies. We now see gas and dust, which is being heated up in the collision between those galaxies.
What you're seeing here is a telltale signature, the chemical fingerprint of water vapor in these atmospheres. There's evidence of clouds and hazes because the water features are not quite as large as we predicted.